want to encourage you to understand the difference between a maker and a manager and become a lifelong learner.
Nothing can stop you all the way up.
Level up.
Many an employee, many a business or ministry has reached its ceiling because of a lack of knowledge. Hosea tells us that my people are destroyed for what? A lack of knowledge. Even in the book of Acts, those that practiced evil arts burned their books so that they would never return to the knowledge that was against God. Acts 19, verse 18 says it this way, "And many that believed came and confessed and showed their deeds. Many of them also, which used curious arts, brought their books together and burned them before all men." And it says they counted the price of them and found it 50,000 pieces of silver, or roughly in today's money about $6 million. They realized the power of the right books and the wrong books. Often I say, if you want to hide something from the ignorant, put it in a book. It should go without saying that the greatest book of all time is, of course, the Bible. So I want to encourage you to understand the difference between a maker and a manager and become a lifelong learner. One who pursues education, whether it be through books or the book, of course, the Bible, or through training or leadercasts or conferences. I beseech ye, therefore, brethren, to seek to understand the mind shift that must occur to turn your focus from a manager to a maker. Build more margin into your schedule for reading. I personally have a stretch goal to read 2 books a month, and I'm working on getting up to 1 book a week. Don't worry, just start where you are and work your way towards where you want to be.
Ready to increase your business, advance your career, and grow your influence? Get the strategies and support you need with free weekly coaching. Visit leadershipuncensored.org and sign up today.